When English names translate to Chinese, each letter are chosen mostly by their sound.
托德或华德
Meanwhile, each Chinese letter has an individual meaning. That would make a name literally mean something and would give a person very different first impression. Have you ever wondered how does your name sounds in other language? How does your name sounds in Chinese? We will look at some examples and see if the meaning of those names in Chinese is similar to their English origin. This is also an opportunity to learn the meaning of some Chinese characters. The first example is Edward. Its Chinese translation is 爱德华. 爱 means love or affection. It conveys a sense of caring and compassion. 德 can be translated to virtue or morality. It represents a quality of goodness and ethical behavior. 华 this character means splendor or glory. It signifies brightness and radiance. The name Edward can be understood as a combination of love, virtue, and splendor. This suggests a person who embodies qualities of love, variety, and radiance, a wonderful name. The second name I take for example is Michael. The name Michael in Chinese is 麦克二. It portrays someone with forward-thinking and resilient personality, always moving forward in life. And the final example of personal name I took is David. Its Chinese translation is 大卫, in which 大 means big or great, and Wei means to guard or protect. So it implies a person who is strong and protective. Now let's check the name of some countries. First of all, let's see what Chinese name of China sounds like in Chinese. China in Chinese is 中国, in which 中 means middle or center, 国 means country. So basically, to Chinese people themselves, this name suggests a country that is in the middle or the center. It reflects the traditional belief of that China was at the center of the world. The United States Chinese name is 美国. America has similar sound to Chinese letter 美, so that's how it becomes. 美国 is a beautiful name in Chinese because the letter 美 means beauty and 国 means country, so combined 美国, the nation of beauty in Chinese. Japan in Chinese is 日本. 日 means sun or day in Chinese, and 本 means the basis. It can be directly translated to origin of the sun or the land of the rising sun. This name reflects Japan's geometrical location to the east of the Asian continent and its association with the rising sun. It's actually pretty accurate to its origin, since the ancient Japanese culture is heavily influenced by China. Britain. Britain's Chinese name is 英国. England or English has similar sound to the letter 英, and 英 means brave or heroic, so it literally means a brave or heroic country. In the same way, French is translated to 法国, and 法 means law, so French sounds like lawful country in Chinese. Germany in German is Deutschland, so it translates to 德国, and 德 means virtue, so country of virtue in Chinese. For more of that, I designed a prompt for ChatGPT, so you can simply insert your name and know the meaning of your own name in Chinese if you are interested. Not every country or person was given a name with nice meaning though. Most of the names are translated solely based on its sound, but letters with negative meanings are avoided. There are many different letters in China that have identical pronunciation. For example, 美 sounds similar to 霉, which means bad luck or mold, and that makes United States sounds like a bad luck or moldy country in Chinese. 阴 sounds the same as 阴, which means cloudy or cunning, making Britain sounds like a cloudy and cunning country in Chinese. Instead, they were given names using letters with positive meanings, which kind of shows some nice intention toward other countries and people from China, I guess. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button, leave a comment, and consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you in my next video.